since we somehow just I think I have shared the code samples, right?
Yeah, you did share. So I think I received a mail yesterday.
Okay, okay. Maybe so. First of all, we will discuss the thing, whatever we have to
Yeah.
focus, right?
Uh-huh.
And then I wanted to give you a brief about what all the things are there to process that algorithm. So we are stepping into the algorithm. Okay,
Okay, okay, got it, sir.
right? You got it, right? I think this is where we stopped. We just
Yeah,
started with
simple linear regression. I think we saw about the
yeah,
NumPy, pandas, and everything. And then we were seeing last class, we were actually seeing certain sample programs with respect to how in Python, like gaming programs. அது கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம்.
right,
I think
right,
this
right.
is, yeah,
So this
simple
is the
linear
next phase. This is the module two. We are just stepping into module two. The last
Okay.
class we had discussed about the possibilities and probabilities. Once we are just
Yeah.
tossing the coin, how the process would be, what are all the factors that you have to make sure that what is the probability of a coin. The
Mm.
probability like 1/2, but it's
1/2.
when it
Yeah,
comes,
you were talking
yeah,
about prediction and uncertainty and everything.
exactly. Yeah. So I was, if you are in machine learning, 1/2 is not a matter. The one, I mean, the head or tail is a matter. And what all
Okay.
the conditions is affecting this, process, and like frequency, the how much the pressure you are applying. I mean, this is how the simple. The machine learning context will give you more depth. So that I
Uh-huh.
mean that is one of the reasons we are using machine learning concept for all our predictions. Okay, so in that the first application, I mean the first algorithm is simple linear regression model. Okay, so we'll see the theoretical context first. And even in theoretical context, there are so many things we need to discuss, and then we'll go for the implementation.
That's
Right?
awesome.
This is the context, right? So in statistics, simple linear regression is a linear regression model with a single explanatory variable. Okay, so how? See, I
If you
think
don't
yeah.
mind, actually in the audio வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப லோவா கேக்குது சார். If you don't mind, can we connect on WhatsApp audio and இதுல mute போயிட்டு will that work sir? Because எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் uh, ரொம்ப லோவா கேக்குது. Will that work
அப்படியா?
sir? ஆமா ஆமா எனக்கு கொஞ்சம்
Just
பேக்ரவுண்ட் இது ஆமா it's like that. That's why I off the fan as well. Is that I would be able to clearly hear. Can we connect via WhatsApp audio and Zoomல mute போட்டுலாமா sir? Will that work?
ஜஸ்ட் a sec. இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கு பாருங்க. நான் நேரா இந்த ஏன்னா this is a new new
ஆனாலும் some sort
place.
of this background disturbances are coming sir எனக்கு அதனால தான்
அப்படியா?
நான் இது ஆமா
ஓகே.
ஆமா ஆமா ஆக்சுவலி ஒரே லைக் சடனா ரொம்ப ஹையா கேக்குது சடனா லோவா கேக்குது சடனா கொஞ்சம் பேக்ரவுண்ட் நாய்ஸஸோட கேக்குது அதனால சம்திங் வித் இஷ்யூ
அப்படியா?
வித் மை லேப்போட ஆடியோ சிஸ்டமா இல்ல அந்த பக்கமா எனக்கு தெரியல அதனால தான்
எனக்கு எனக்கு கிளியரா இருக்கு. நீங்க பேசுறது ரொம்ப கிளியர், பயங்கர கிளாரிட்டியா இருக்கு. ஈவன் இந்த
ஆனா
சிக்னல் ஸ்பீடும் இஸ் பயங்கர ஃபாஸ்ட் தான் இன்னைக்கு.
எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலி கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸோட கேக்குது அதனால தான் எனக்கு வந்து இது ஐம் நாட் ஷூர் இஃப் இட் இஸ் வித் த ஆடியோ சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் மைன் ஆர் இஸ் இட் த ப்ராப்ளம் வித் திஸ் திங்
ஜஸ்ட் செக். ஜஸ்ட் செக் இட். நல்லாவே தான் இருக்கு. அப்ஸ் அண்ட் டவுன்ஸ். 35 MB மேலேயே இருக்கு. அப்லோட் அண்ட் டவுன்லோட். Mbps speed oh no, it is not that much. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll mute over here.
Yeah, I'll just mute here and I'll connect it via the.
That's it. Operating parameter. Yes, I can hear you. It's fine, right? Oh, okay. Great. Great. Okay. Let me check. Okay. ஏதாவது டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க இல்ல ஜஸ்ட் இதுலயே சொல்லிடுங்க. சூப்பர். So the simple linear regression model, I mean, I think you might know the style of the learning methodology or teaching methodology, from me, right? At this point in time, so how well we are connected and how well we are think. So if you are just learning simple linear regression term, this term we need to break it down first of all. So that is what we have to do. So otherwise, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so we are dealing with a simple linear regression model. We are dealing with a lot of context, mathematical approach. We are dealing with a lot of other approaches like the statistical models like mean squared error. There are so many things we are going to learn. So it doesn't make sense when you have to break up what is regression first of all, what is linear regression first of all, and in that what is and why we are calling this as a simple linear regression, right? So we need to do something. Okay, so you can also share your screen. You can also read. I will give you. I think I'll stop share, and you can show your cloud or something. In that, just ask what is regression. Yes, you are. Yeah, what is a regression in machine learning? Okay. Just read the definition of regression. Don't worry about the code and other stuff. Yeah, exactly. Hmm. Yes, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are right. And okay. So I think now, because we straight away gone into machine learning concepts. So while, I mean, on the go, we are going to learn what is supervised and what is unsupervised and what is semi-supervised, those things. All right. So you can just ask the same question as well. What is supervised learning? And then we'll come to this regression, because there are so many things, we need to explore. Just ask what is supervised learning. Because we will come across so many terminologies, new terminologies. Maybe you already aware of some of the things. Maybe we need to properly go with the definitions. Otherwise, it will get somehow a lot of assumptions will be made. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. So what is meant by labeled data? Do you have any idea? In simple terms, if you yeah, in simple terms, if you have the column names, if you just have the definition of the data information, if you have the information on particular data, right, and along with that labeled information, like this is numeric data and this numeric data belongs to salary or any other spending expense or whatever it is, that is called as labeled data. That means you have some information about that data. Okay, whether it is numeric or characteristic, it doesn't matter. I mean, you have some kind of information about the particular data. That means you have everything in place. If it is unlabeled, you never find anything. What is this data all about? And then, in that case, we will be going for unsupervised model. We are mapping or grouping or classifying a lot of things. We are going to do. So that is a different. Yeah, exactly. Hmm. Yes. Yes, yes. Wherever you go, so most of the time you will be getting the CSV file, the comma separated value file. Yeah. So in that you will be, because these days we are dealing with social media files, social media text, social media audio, everything should be there in the CSV. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, Tejaswini, just a minute. Just a second. Just, I'll just pause it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. நீங்க லஞ்ச் போகும்போது அங்கதான் இது பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டு நீங்க அங்கதான் இருக்கும் ரைட் நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் வரலாங்க I'm sorry. Yeah, you can go ahead. Because I mean, very far away. Hello. Can you hear me? Yes, yes, yeah. Sorry. Okay.